Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your LLC for your e-commerce business. And in this video, we're going to start by clicking the link below. I'm going to show you on my screen on the Taylor Brands website at the same time you follow along on yours. So the process is very straightforward, and I'm going to tell you what to click for every single button. So there's going to be no guesswork, and it's going to be very fast and easy. And within about 5 to 10 minutes, you will have your LLC filed for your e-commerce business. So again, click that link and let's get into it. All right, so this is the Taylor Brands website, and we're going to start by clicking the state that you live in. Now, if this is your first LLC or you're just getting your business started, I definitely recommend to use the state that you live in. If in the future, maybe you're looking for some tax benefits and you're really making a lot of money, that's amazing. At that point, you may want to consider getting an LLC in another state for tax benefits. But again, for most people watching this video and getting started, you're going to select the state that you live in. Okay, so since we're doing e-commerce, I'm just going to pretend I sell like digital products online, like maybe wedding cards or invitations, things like that. So I'm going to say digital online flyers is my business name. Okay, and it's available. And what stage are you currently in with your business? Just select whatever applies for you. And the industry you fall into, for you guys watching this video, it will be e-commerce. Now, are you providing a good, a service, or both? And are you planning to hire employees? You can select whatever you want or just hit skip here. Same with this question. As far as an income, this is like something for you to look back on later. So you can hit skip if you're not sure. And where are you operating from? Now, I know you guys are e-commerce, you're selling online, but you can use your home zip code for this question here. And we're going to click this option here, selling online. Okay, so today I want you to select LLC, and you can also select EIN. Most of you guys, I'm sure you already have a website and a domain name, but if you're looking to change any of these, I definitely recommend to check these out through Taylor Brands. They create a really nice website, and I think it's like $20 a month or something pretty cheap like that you can have this really nice site set up. If you need a better domain name, like what people type in to find you, maybe your name isn't easy to find, Taylor Brands can help you figure that out as well. So if you want to select one of these and check them out, feel free to do so. And we're going to skip this survey here. Okay, you found Taylor Brands through YouTube. And you guys, this is a free 12-week business coaching program. It's completely free. There's no catch. I can't see any reason why you wouldn't want to take it or at least check it out. So you can click join the program. If you don't, though, just hit no thanks. And now you can enter your personal information. Okay, so your EIN number. This is basically like the social security number of your business, and you're going to need it if you want to open a business credit card or a business bank account, as well as file taxes for your business. So you will more than likely need it within your first year of running your business. If you want Taylor Brands to do it for you, it's just $99. Or if you want to do it through the IRS website, it is completely free. But keep in mind, the IRS website only allows you to file Monday through Friday business hours. So for me, it's Saturday, and I actually am unable to access that part of the website. This is one of the reasons why I prefer Taylor Brands to do it for me, because I don't want to deal with waiting or any potential issues. So that is your choice. But if you want to do it for free, just click I'll handle it myself. Are you sure? Yes. And assigning a registered agent. So a registered agent is the person that is going to receive the mail for your business. So if you're filing in the state that you live in, you will be your own registered agent, and you're going to receive any mail in regards to your LLC or renewing your LLC every single year, which a business in any state will have to do. So if you are living in a different state for whatever reasons, maybe for tax benefits, or your accountant has advised you to file in a different state than the one you live in, you will need to appoint a registered agent that lives in the state. And Tailor Brands can figure that out for you. It is $199. But for most of you guys watching that have filed in the state you live in, you're going to select this first option here. The second option here. And as I mentioned, no matter what state you live in, you have to renew your LLC every single year. So if you'd like Tailor Brands to do it for you, it is $199 a year, which is a little pricey, but you're still going to save money if you forget to renew it, you're going to be paying more than you would pay to have someone do it for you. So keep that in mind. If you can remember to renew it, just click this option here. And you guys, renewing it every single year, unfortunately, is not free. There is a state fee for that. And depending on the state that you're filing in, the renewal fee will be slightly different every single year. So if you're curious what your state renewal fee is, check out one of the videos on my page where I talk about that. All right. And a branding toolkit, we're just going to hit no. And if you'd like your LLC in just 2 days from now, it's $49. I like to do this option, but if you're in no rush, you can get it in 2 weeks for no additional charge. And an operating agreement. Now, I know you're working online. You're probably running the business by yourself. If you have partners, you will definitely want an operating agreement. It breaks down the responsibilities and the ownership of all parties involved in the business. So if someone wants to leave the business, or there's someone tries to sue you, or there's any sort of issues like that, the operating agreement is going to protect you in the long run. And some states also require an operating agreement, even if it's just you running the business. So it is something good to have. You don't necessarily need it right now when getting your LLC, but you can always add this on later on down the line as well. So if you want to skip on it for today, you can hit I'll figure it out myself. And this is a formation kit. Now, most of you guys, since you're working online, you probably are using maybe Excel or some sort of spreadsheet to track all of your finances and your bookkeeping and all that good stuff. But if you don't already have that, this is pretty much a physical copy version of it, where you can get everything organized. It's $99 if you want it. If not, just hit no thanks. And yes, let's get notified about our LLC. And then here are some different plans you can choose from. Now, like I mentioned, you guys probably already have a website or some area that you're selling from if you're doing some sort of e-commerce business. But if your website isn't really where you want it to be, you can check out these other plans where they do offer you a free website. The Elite plan. So it's $250 a year, but you're getting a website and it's covering every single month payment for that. So Tailor Brands is going to help design it for you and give you something really nice and professional looking. And, honestly, the way something looks online is so important nowadays. People really care about the presence and the professionalism of whatever your brand or product or whatever you're presenting. They want it to look really nice. So this is a good option to consider if you want to step up your game a little bit. But for this video, you guys, we don't really need to pay anything extra. So we're just going to get this light plan here. Okay, so here is the breakdown of what we're paying for today. So the Florida state filing fee is $130, and this is the state mandated fee. So if you're filing in a different state than Florida, your filing fee will be a little bit different, and it can range around $50 up to $400 depending on your state. So don't be alarmed if your number is different. This has to do with the state that you live in and that you're filing in. We're also getting that 2-day filing. If you change your mind, you can unclick it. With any of these, if you want something, you can just click or unclick to add it on. And that's our grand total for today. So once you go to enter your credit card information, they're going to ask you again what address do you want to use. Since you're e-commerce, you probably don't have a storefront or shop. So I always use my home address, and I've never had issues with junk mail or spam, anything like that. It's for them to contact you if they have questions or issues with your filing. Maybe you need to change something. So it's really important that you put your correct address that you can be reached at. And if for some reason you're not comfortable with this still, search up how to get a virtual address. But I would recommend, if you're just getting started, to use your home address, and they're not going to contact you unless absolutely necessary. Okay, guys, I hope you found this helpful for filing your LLC for your e-commerce business. But if you do have questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And maybe if you have a specific question having to do with your business, please let me know, and I'll do my absolute best to help you out. So I will see you guys in the next video.